Hi everyone and welcome back to Skrach, where we help you scratch that cooking itch. Today we're making a classic Thai red curry chicken. Let's get started. To make this we'll need 1 small onion, a yellow bell pepper, 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast, 3 tablespoons of Thai red curry paste, 2 tablespoons and 1 teaspoon of oil divided, 2 tablespoons of water, a tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of fish sauce divided, a tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of dried ginger, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 1 can of coconut milk, 5 ounces of bamboo shoots, and 4 ounces of frozen or fresh green beans. First, we'll make our marinade. We'll whisk together our 2 tablespoons of water, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of our oil, and 1 teaspoon of our fish sauce until well combined. Then we'll cut our chicken into bite-sized pieces, approximately 1-inch cubes, and mix it with our marinade and set it aside for 15 minutes to marinate and tenderize. While our chicken's marinating, we'll peel our onion and slice it into wedges, and corn seed our bell pepper before slicing it into long strips. Then we'll drain our 5-ounce can of bamboo shoots. After the chicken is finished marinating, we'll heat 1 tablespoon of our oil in a large pot or wok over a medium-high heat, and add our chicken and cook until it's brown and mostly cooked through, about 8 minutes. Once our chicken's browned, we'll remove it from our wok with a slotted spoon and set it aside. Then we'll heat our remaining tablespoon of oil in the same wok and saute our onion and bell pepper until softened but still crisp, about 4 minutes. Then we'll stir in our tablespoon of garlic and cook until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Then we'll pour in our 13.5-ounce can of coconut milk, add our 3 tablespoons of red curry paste, remaining tablespoon of fish sauce, 5 ounces of drained bamboo shoots, 2 teaspoons of dried ginger, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and 4 ounces of green beans, and stir until well combined. We'll let this come to a simmer before returning our chicken to our wok and allowing it to cook for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. And there you have it, a beautiful Thai red curry chicken ready to be served. We'll serve this over steamed rice. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this one.